Will the money supply push Bitcoin to 130k in 2025? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, an awesome news article, 5 amazing Bitcoin charts. Yes, of course, an inspirational quote, short but powerful, because today I need to go to my Muay Thai class again. Let's quickly jump now into that news first, guys. Bam! The news for today, guys, is the answer on the question that I just asked in the beginning of the video, because the news today is that the Federal Reserve wants to print more money. At the moment we are at 107 trillion US dollar, but the Treasury wants to print more money in 2025 all the way up to 127 trillion US dollar. That is an 18% increase. If we now take a look at this chart, bam, here, this chart will show you what that increase in the monetary supply will do to the price of Bitcoin if we follow these two trend lines. That would push Bitcoin towards 132,000 US dollar, just alone because of all the increase, the inflow of the newly printed money out of thin air. So yes, the United States is going to print money out of thin air. I think China is also going to print money out of thin air. I think European central banks is also going to print money out of thin air. So I think that push could even be higher, because whole the world is going to print a shitload of money to stimulate the economy in 2025. And that will mean also, of course, a lot of people taking their assets and putting them in store of values like Bitcoin, gold, or any other store of value. And that is why I think the push of the bull market top will always be in 2025. It was amazing to see that we almost touched 100k in 2024, and maybe we have one more leg up until Christmas to touch that 100k definitely and show the power of Bitcoin. Yes, we can do it, but I believe there can always be a dip again to that 90 to 80k area before we really take off in 2025 and make that all-time high, the bull market top, around 160,000 US dollar. In the charts I will show you that higher prices are also probable. I'm just very cautious with calling these high prices, as 120 to 160,000 US dollar for me is already a very beautiful bull market all the way from 16k. But I will show you in the charts, some other charts, that I could be completely wrong. I could be completely wrong. It could go to a few 100k per Bitcoin. But I will talk about that later in the charts. Now, so the news for the day, guys, is yes, always we've seen the same move. When a new president has been elected in the United States, the money printers start to print all over the world. And they all are going to do the same to stimulate the economy, to try to stop the wars, to do all the positive things, because Trump is promising all these positive things. And that will also lead to a shitload of money flowing into Bitcoin, especially into the spot ETFs, because all the institutional investors will get that money first. It's always the same play, guys. The money comes from the top into the rich people, the companies, and they will distribute it to the middle class, and the middle class will distribute it to the poorer classes. And that richest class, they always do one thing. They protect their capital against inflation, black swan events, and everything else in the world that could happen. And you know how you do that? By adding a shitload of Bitcoins to your portfolio. Not fiat shitcoins, because they are not protecting your capital against inflation, etc. As you have seen in the past, whatever you hold in euros or dollars will destroy your purchasing power. So your purchasing power is always decreasing because you hodl in euros and dollars. The moment you start to hodl in Bitcoin, your purchasing power will slowly increase every 4-year cycle. Not every day, because Bitcoin does this, but in the long term, yes, it will increase. Then of course I have a second news item. And yes, the second news item again is about DDBAM, guys, because yesterday was an epic day. An epic day. We went to an all-time high of 60 cents. That is times 10 from the 5 cents where we started a week ago. In a week, an epic all-time high of 60 cents. We broke the market cap of 11.4 million US dollar. We were trending on DEX tools. We were trending on CoinMarketCap. Probably also on CoinGecko. Everyone is talking about DDBAM. And why? Because it's just not a meme coin. It could be seen as a meme coin, but it has a complete utility use case behind it. There is a course program from babies to adults that will teach you everything about Bitcoin, blockchain, crypto, meme coins, NFTs, etc. There is a VIP community, there is VIP signals, there is a lot of extra stuff that you get when you start to accumulate DDBAM tokens now and use them in the future. In the future, there will be possibilities, even through a mini Telegram app, to become part of all the VIP experiences. And that is why all the people are loading their bags with DDBAM tokens, because they want to become these VIPs, and you need some tokens for that. But I will tell you more about that later, next week or something, when the mini app and etc. is live. Now, let's jump now in the charts to show you what is happening to Bitcoin today. Bam! The first chart for today, guys, is of course the DDBAM chart, just to show you how we started over there on the 21st of November. We are working our way up. Beautiful. Yesterday was a massive pump all the way here to 0.0001566, which was around 60 cents, $60, new all-time high for DDBAM. Amazing pullback again. Amazing buy opportunity, of course, over here. Let's see, hopefully we can keep, of course, this area of support over here, guys. This is a very important area of support. You can see a lot of resistance. We find support over there. We can go on and continue our beautiful trip to the moon, guys. Now we look at the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, which of course is the more important one. Look, I told you yesterday, we will probably break out and then come back and pull that green line and then take off, or we will find resistance. I'm very happy we didn't find resistance over there. So the resistance here was not there, which is amazing. So now we are going indeed up over there, and probably will be pulled back to this line again, 94, to then take off. That is now the next move. So we can delete for now, guys, this move, because this move did not happen. This move is now not happening. We need to see now how this will evolve, but this is a very positive move in my opinion. If we can just reach that like 98K level over there, there are huge resistance, and pull a little bit back and then take off, that would guarantee a 100K before Christmas, guys, which would be amazing, of course, for the Bitcoin industry and all people that are celebrating Christmas. So now let's see over here, guys, the weekly chart. We're going to zoom out a little bit. On the weekly chart, we can see a lot of bullishness. We can also see that the exact target was hit that I drew weeks ago. You can still see this dotted line over there weeks ago that was drawn on the 2nd of September. That was when that candle was there, and we drew this pattern, and we said, okay, if we're gonna break out, we're gonna break out the length of this pole, the same length as that pole here on the left. We are gonna break out and have that pole height, and exactly to that height, 98K, is where we came to. Now, a lot of people now see a red candle. This weekly candle is going to close in 3 days. A lot of people might say, hey, this is a bearish candle. Now the question for today, as I want to do a little bit more educational stuff, as that also fits the DDBAM community, this candle, is this a bullish candle or is this a bearish candle? And what is the name of this candle? Let me know down below the video what candle this is, and if it's a bearish or a bullish candle. I will give away a Bitcoin t-shirt to one of the correct answers down below the video. So let me know down below, what is this candle's name, and is it bearish or is it bullish? Now, on this weekly, we can see that the chart really explodes to a 100K level. We can see the 200D moving average, we can see the 50-day moving average. Everything is pointing upwards. That golden cross again was a right golden cross, beautifully. We can see the MACD exploding as well. I told you at that moment, look, we are going to go up. Here the RSI exactly following that green line that I drew like weeks ago. I said I go this, and then we will go up, and we will come down, and we will go. Now, we are exactly doing that. So that is also where we can see the RSI could be in a small correction, and it could be bearish, but still we have a beautiful monthly candle, guys, and a beautiful monthly candle is going to close in 2 days, and I think it's going to be a very bullish candle, and the next 12 months is going to be bullishness. Now, I'm going to jump into 3 more amazing charts we need to see today, and the first one is this one. This one is a very important chart. As this chart, I found this one on Titan of Crypto, but I have this chart myself as well. All the VIPs have access to more indicators that are going to tell us that the top will be in or not. But I also like to share charts of other people because we need to support each other in this industry, guys. And I think Titan of Crypto is a really cool Twitter account. So yes, he is now showing you the Pi cycle top. And all the VIPs have also access to my chart where the Pi cycle top is also part of. But this Pi cycle top is explained very simple. The MA, the moving average 111, and the moving average 350 times 2. And every time when that red line touches that blue line, or crosses, better even, that is a top. Here it was near, but that was not the ultimate top. Here they crossed, that was a sign of the top. Here again they came near, that was not the top. The projection is that we will make this kind of move to almost 250K, and then these lines, this is all the projection, then they will cross, and that will be the bull market top. And the bull market top will be in the end of 2025, guys. Just like I've been saying all the time, but this is like just a projection. This is like a glass ball projecting the future of crypto, but that is how we normally move. If we look to these moves that we see, the Pi cycle top will somewhere be in the end of 2025 and will be telling you now we need to cash out. Just a really amazing chart, also again by this guy, Titan of Crypto. Then we have a very important chart by Plan B. And there is some text on it because I combined this chart with one of his tweets because I wanted it to be very clear for people. But please, these dots are the top of the bull market at a level of 95. This is a relative strength index. Here again, the top of the bull market at a level of 95. The previous bull market, 2021, that double top, we only reached a level of 93-ish. So that was lower than these other levels over there. But we still had, if you just count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these red dots. No, 5 of these red dots, all of these, were higher than the 80 level. 5 of them. And in 2021, it was indeed clipped off by China, Luna, FTX, Celsius, and a shitload of profits. And despite of that clip off, 2021 still had 5 RSI 80 plus months. That pushed Bitcoin from 20K to 60K. Now just imagine a 3x from today's 90K. And imagine no clip off in 2025, so no collapse of an exchange, no banning by China, no losings because of Luna or Celsius. Just imagine what that could mean for Bitcoin. We have not seen one dot above the 80 level. The moment the first dot will be above the 80 level, we can still see 5 dots above that level. Every dot is a month. Which means the moment you see the first dot above this level, it will probably take another 5 months to reach the bull market top. And if we would push these dots above the 80 level for a couple of months, that would also mean, guys, that we could easily triple the Bitcoin price from today, which would bring us almost to 300,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. Just let that sink in. Just analyze this chart. I know it's very difficult to read all these dots, but all these dots above 80, that is the very bullish part of the Bitcoin bull market. And those dots are each 1 month. Go figure out what is going to happen in the next 12 months, guys. I'm going to see a lot of dots over here. That's what I believe that's going to happen. That were the charts for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the charts. It even started to rain again, guys. It's very cloudy lately here in Phuket. It's not normal for this part of the year. Normally it's blue skies, very sunny, but the last 3-4 days was cloudy, a little bit rainy. It's even raining now a little bit. But guys, I hope you really enjoyed the charts. Short term, amazing volatility to trade, guys. It's amazing volatility. BAM, dropping back to 90K. BAM, back to 96K. There's a 6K BAM trade over there, guys. I told you to sell around these levels. The VIP group also got a chart from me with all the buying levels. And yes, 90K, 91K, 92K was a buying level, and we're back at 96K. So that's short-term, beautiful volatility to trade, guys. Long-term, please don't freak out. Just zoom out. Look at that beautiful bigger picture. This monthly candle is going to close in a couple of days. A huge green monthly candle. This is the beginning of a couple, maybe even 12 more green monthly candles. Could there be one red candle in between? We don't give a fuck. We are only focusing on the long term. When all the indicators tell us now is a moment to take profits because they're the top of the bull market, I will be there to guide you through that and tell you this is the moment to take profits and go with Bitcoin into stable coins like USDT, DAI, whatever other decentralized stable coin there might be in the next bull market top, guys. We always take some profits at that moment. And then we just wait for 12 months because the crash is going to take again 12 months. Every time it's a year of bearish movement. In the year you will be stressed out if you don't take profits at the top. We will be buying back at that bear market bottom, near that bottom, not the perfect bottom. And then we will take that other cycle again up to the 2029 top. And again, of course, also to the 2030 bottom. That's how we do it. That's the 4-year cycle, how we play it as the Bitcoin family, how we teach you how to play it as well now in the VIP sections of the DDBAM community, guys. People are educated how to live these 4-year cycles on the Bitcoin standard, preferably. Amazing times ahead, guys. More positive. I can't get more positive, guys. Let's jump now in the inspirational quote. And again, my balls were wet now. Shit. Not again. Again, yeah, maybe last night, but now, other story. Let's jump into the inspirational quote. Bam. The inspirational quote for today, guys, is, you are only sure of today. You're living in the moment. So don't let yourself get cheated out of today. Very important. A lot of people start the morning beautifully with, today I'm going to live in the moment. I'm going to live this day as if it is the last day. But then during the breakfast, they already forget that and they get back in that hamster wheel mentality, running, 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 running. They forget to enjoy this beautiful day and they are cheated out of all that precious time. Cheated, of course, not by others, by themselves. Because we allow ourselves to start running again like a retarded in that hamster wheel without even thinking about the beautiful moments of today. I could be complaining now and be negative now because I'm recording a video on the beach and it's raining, but I don't. I enjoy it. It's beautiful. It feels amazing. I am enjoying this moment to the fullest as I'm doing what I love, making YouTube videos for you guys on a very beautiful beach that I love here in Phuket, Thailand. Okay, yes, the sun is not shining, but it's also a really strange experience to feel this mild, warm rain on your body while you're recording a YouTube video. So I just go with the flow and I enjoy it. I won't allow myself to cheat myself out of this day. I'm gonna enjoy this day, every single moment, even the stressful moments, even the tiring moments when I go now to my Muay Thai class and they will be like killing me over there with push-ups, burpees and all the thing. Even those moments I will feel like, fuck it, but I'm gonna enjoy it because I know it's good for my body. But that's the issue for a lot of people. A lot of people start the day perfectly, like in a very positive vibe, but then during the first couple of hours, they let themselves like disturb them out of this beautiful vibe and then let themselves be cheated out of this beautiful day. And that is not the good thing to do. You should really be focusing on making it your day. Shut yourself down for all those negative influences around you, all those negative energies, all those negative people, all those negative remarks of your boss or your colleagues or whatever. Just shut yourself down for that. You are not them. They are not you. You should not allow them to influence your happiness that way. Because you are allowing it. Yes, you can complain, they are making me unhappy, and those people are making me unhappy, and the boss is making me unhappy. You, the one that is allowing them to make you unhappy, is the guilty one. So start just blocking them. Just stop blocking them. Just focus on the things that make you happy on a day. Just focus on not being cheated out of any single minute of this day in a negative way. It's your time. It's your day. You decide what to do with it, and you will not be influenced by anyone else on this planet in a negative way because you will just ignore them and continue where you're going. heading straight forward, guys. Now, that was the inspirational part for today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, then please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about everything? Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing Thursday. Tomorrow, Friday, I will probably do a live AMA. I will not be recording a video in the morning. I will probably do a live AMA. I will let you know the time, etc. It will be in English live because we did a lot of Dutch lives lately. I didn't do an English live for a long time, so we'll be in a time zone that everyone will be able to follow it, even the Dutch people, but they need to follow it probably in the morning. So that was it. I wish you an amazing Thursday and see you tomorrow again. Bam!